I want to share something with you today that I think is very, very important, especially since it's Friday and Sunday's coming. It's found in 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 12. But we request of you, brethren, that you appreciate those who diligently labor among you and have charge over you in the Lord and give you instruction, and that you esteem them very highly in love because of their work. You know, it is very, very difficult to be a pastor, to be an evangelist, a conference speaker, itinerant teacher has its difficulty, but there is nothing more difficult than being a pastor and standing before a congregation sometimes 2, 3, 4 times a week and preaching the Word of God. Also, there's the countless amount of counseling and visitation that must be done. I know that a lot of you really like to listen to preachers on the internet, but you need to spend more time in church praying for, interceding for your pastors that are constantly instructing you, that are praying and caring for your souls. The most difficult work in all the kingdom of heaven, in my opinion, is that of being a faithful pastor. Go to church. Be a member, a dedicated member to a specific local assembly, and love and pray for your pastors. God bless you.